In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the first day of the week to Sunday in Monday.com. If your calendar or date-based views are currently starting on Monday and you'd prefer to see Sunday first, this is usually something you can adjust in your personal or account level settings. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without any confusion. To get started, open Monday.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're fully signed in and on your main workspace or dashboard before moving on. This helps ensure that all of your profile and preference options are available and easy to access. Once you're logged in, look toward the top area of the screen and click your profile picture. This is where Monday.com usually keeps personal settings, account preferences, and other customization options related to how the platform appears for you. After opening that menu, go to My Profile or Account Settings, depending on which option appears in your version of Monday.com. Different account types or interface updates can sometimes label this section a little differently, but the goal is the same. You want to access the area where your personal display and regional preferences are managed. From there, open the language, region, or date settings section. This is typically where Monday.com stores preferences related to formatting, localization, and how dates are displayed throughout the platform. Take a moment to scan carefully if you don't see it right away, since it may be grouped under broader profile settings. Next, look for the setting that controls the first day of the week or the week start day. This option determines how calendar-based views are organized, including whether the week begins on Monday or Sunday. If the option is available, choose Sunday as the first day of the week. Once you've selected Sunday, save the changes. It's important not to skip this step because the new setting won't apply unless your update is confirmed. After saving, refresh the calendar view so the platform can reload with your updated preference. At this point, your calendar should display Sunday as the first day of the week. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page again or reopening the calendar view. In some cases, visual settings can take a moment to update fully. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Monday.com week start setting to Sunday, making your calendar view better, match the way you prefer to plan and organize your schedule.